everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am thrilled to be back with my good friend Cindy. You know her of Riverside Homes, and we are back in Reflections at Seabrook. That's Nocatee's 50th and final new construction community, and she's going to show us one of their 2 model homes. So thanks for having us, Cindy.
Thank you so much for coming out to tour our Sawyer. This is one of our fan favorite plans, and let's go take a look.
I love this porch. It's something you notice right when you approach the home.
I love you've got the 12-foot ceilings with the transom windows, and it just is such a warm, welcoming experience when you come onto the front porch here.
And I love the chairs that you could sit out front, because so many people that are moving here to Reflections, you can greet your guests from outside.
Right.
With that glass of wine.
That's right. That's right. So right when we come in, you see the beautiful flex space that we have here. This room has so many ways that it can be configured. We're showing it set up more like an office, but there's a lot of things we could do. We can add French doors. We could actually even create a formal dining space with a butler's pantry.
Okay.
And this can also be a guest suite with a full bath. So there's a lot of ways that room can be used.
I love that you said that, and that's the one thing when you meet with Cindy and you come to the sales center here, she can talk to you about what life stage you're at. So how she mentioned, hey, we can turn this into a flex space, a dining room, to move into a butler's pantry. She can explain that as she's taking you through the home.
Absolutely. So you see here where Carling is now, that we've got a beautiful laundry room, and plenty of space for folding table, sink, counter space, all of that, and coming right in off of the garage as well. So this house too, I'll mention has a 2-car garage with an oversized tandem golf cart space as well.
And that's the one thing, guys, when you're moving here to Nocatee, to have that oversized garage for your kayak, canoe, paddle boards, your golf carts, it is amazing. So I'm so glad that this is one of your floor plans that you offer that. Okay, look at this space, guys. This is your beautiful entertaining space.
How beautiful is this? It's so light and airy. Great workflow from the kitchen to the family to the dining to the outdoors area. Just perfectly set for day-to-day living as well as entertaining.
And Carling, will you go around the kitchen, because just showing all the beautiful countertops, the drawers, the hardware, and that's the thing. They will, with their design team, be able to help you if you are building this home with one of their lots. They're going to help you pick out what works for you. I love the pot filler even. It's an extra touch.
Isn't that a fun little touch? Yeah. And then great 36-inch cooktop there, 5 burners. You've got the little griddle in the middle. We've got the microwave drawer under the counter, and the cabinets too, going all the way to the ceiling.
Yes.
That's something that our buyers can choose to do at design when they go make their selections as well.
Well, and it's nice because if you are, let's say with the holidays, you could put things that you're not using certain times of the year at the highest point.
That's right.
And that's what's terrific, because you're still keeping it in your kitchen area. There's also a walk-in pantry. We didn't show that, but this has a walk-in pantry. And again, look at all the natural light, the great flow. So this particular round table, look at this. This holds 6 chairs, but to be honest with you guys, you could even put a larger round table in here and put 8 chairs, not a problem. So great for entertaining. And Carling, are we gonna look outside? Because I just wanna show the privacy with this outdoor area. Look at this, how there's a wall. Basically, I love this because you could put a television, but I like that it's private.
Right, it does give you a little area that's private. We can actually also include a privacy wall at the other end of the lanai as well. Okay. So if someone really wanted to create a private space within, it's almost like another room.
Right, and that's what I was thinking, because you do have the solid roof on the top. You've got some recessed lights out there. You could put speakers out there, again, if you're building it. But I love that it's just a continuation of this beautiful, great room, living room here in the middle.
That's right. And then moving towards off of the family room, we do have our primary suite on the first floor in this home. So this is a beautiful space, lots of attention to detail in here. A lot of the things that you're seeing here are all options that are going to be available When you're building from scratch with us, we have options to do the tongue and groove in the ceiling, the tray ceilings, all of the things that you're seeing there.
And it really is a suite, everybody. When you come in, there's a door that greets you, and you have these compartmentalized rooms like a suite.
Right.
And so I'm kind of shutting the door a little bit just to kind of show how you are completely separated from the rest of the home.
It's very private.
Very private. And it feels very spa-like too, as Carling is showing, the primary bathroom. Look at this. And of course, you're designers. I'm sorry. You really have one of the most beautiful design teams and what they do in their homes, but it's giving people ideas.
Yes.
With their Riverside home, what they can do.
It definitely has that luxurious feel.
It really does, always.
And a timeless, classic way.
Yes. And Carling showed the beautiful shower with the frameless glass with the, you've got the rain shower on top. It's just so much you can do. Nice walk-in closet.
And then this is showcasing, in addition to that beautiful shower, it also has the freestanding tub, which is something that, so many love having that beautiful tub. And linen closet. Forgot storage. There's always ample amounts of storage.
Love it.
Plenty of storage in your suite here in the Sawyer floor plan with Riverside Homes.
That's right.
I love this. Absolutely beautiful. And then also, guys, as we go towards the stairs, don't forget there's still a half bath here on the first floor. So your guests have a beautiful and nice, easy to access half bath, so Carling will pop in there.
Yep. And it's just kind of centrally located in the house, so it's easy if you're working in the garage, if you're out back, if you're working in the kitchen, easy to get to there.
And I want to remind people, we are in Reflections at Seabrook, and there are some great selling points to why you should buy in Reflections and the Seabrook collection. Number one is at the corner of Reflections, it's going to actually connect to the final part of the Greenway Trail system. So Reflections will actually be one of the third closest single-family communities to the amenity complex. That's the Spray Splash Water Parks, your food truck Fridays held twice a month, your farmers market, your wine tastings, beer tastings, and family camp out, to name just a few events. So this is a great location in Nocatee to ride your bike, walk, or golf cart to the amenities. So if you do buy this home or one of Cindy's quick move-ins, for example, you can be here for the summer and experience that new Greenway Trail.
Amazing.
Okay, look at this. Love this beautiful loft space. You've kind of turned it into like a gaming area / sitting area.
It's such a great multi-purpose secondary family room. So one of the most amazing things about this house, it has 4 bedrooms upstairs. So Carling's in the first of the 4 bedrooms here. This one has an amazing walk-in closet with lots of natural light in there. And then it also has the Jack and Jill bath connecting to another one of the second bedrooms here.
And you know what I was thinking, Cindy, with this space, if you do have, your college student, let's do that life stage. You have an older child living with you. I almost think that would be a great space because it does feel like a secondary, like a primary bedroom, like a suite. And that would be a great space for them. Or it could also be a great guest room if you didn't need it for a child living in the home.
Right.
And then the room we just went through, that could even be an office.
Yes, a lot of families still need 2 offices at home. So even if you don't need 5 bedrooms like this home offers, you might need 2 home offices, and this gives you the flexibility to be able to do that.
Yeah, I love that. And then that room Carling just went in, you see, plenty of room. They've put 2 twin beds in there, but you could put easily a king size bed if you wanted. Nice size rooms. Walk-in closet, by the way.
Yep, and a beautiful bath that's shared with these last 2 bedrooms here. This bedroom on the back, I just love this space here. The way that it kind of sets up and spacious, big walk-in closet, close to the loft area.
And something important to point out that I just noticed, these bedrooms we just went over, they're not on top of your primary bedroom on the first floor. I just want to mention that because I think that's a great selling point.
Absolutely. This actually, there's no living space over the primary suite,
So
which
something
is
to
really
keep in
great.
mind.
Yes.
Okay,
Exactly.
I opened this door, guys. This was actually, I was like, what in the world is this door? So while Cindy was taking you around, I quickly ran in here.
How
Are you
amazing
kidding?
is this? Yeah. Who doesn't need more storage for like luggage, holiday decorations, all that stuff?
Absolutely. So Riverside Homes, you knocked it out of the park when it comes to storage with this particular floor plan, because there is plenty of space in there, like Cindy said, for all of your decorations, for your overflow. If you're coming from our cold weather states, guess what? Now you can keep your cold weather clothes and throw them in there.
That's true.
But I love that space. And you could put a lock on it in case you do have small children. That would be a great space to hide their toys.
Oh,
that you
yes,
don't- that
that's
you're not
right.
giving
Yeah,
them
yeah,
yet.
that's right. That's
so I
right.
love that.
Yeah.
All right, guys, you need to call Cindy today because Reflections really is selling out. Yes, it's the 50th and final neighborhood, but Nocatee is 94% sold out. So call her today so you can be a part of the Nocatee family. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Thank you.